Everybody talk about SpaceX, and everybody's talking about AI, and everybody is about the next chip company, and I get it. But what if I told you one of the biggest opportunities in this entire AI revolution isn't a chip company at all? That's right. What if I told you the future of AI depends on the metal that most investors aren't even paying attention to? Because AI doesn't run on GPUs. AI runs on electricity, and electricity runs through copper. That's right. And that may be creating one of the biggest opportunities going into the next generation, because as more people focus on AI and as AI keeps evolving and we use it in everything, it needs the copper. So in this video, I'm gonna break down why copper has become one of the most important assets in the AI build-out, why some experts believe that AI could create a copper shortage, and why every AI data center, every transmission line, and every transformer, and every grid upgrade depends on copper. And I'm gonna break down 3 companies that I think that we should be watching. So by the end of this video, you're gonna have a clear understanding on why some investors believe the biggest winners will be in the AI space, but it won't be the names that we think. It's the ones that we sleeping on. Before we get to anything else, man, make sure you like and subscribe. Get this video to 2,000 likes, y'all, because that helps this video get in the algorithm and help us give y'all information. It's your boy, Wall Street Trapper. Let's go. If you're looking for the easiest copper story to understand today, it'll probably be none other than Freeport-McMoRan, ticker symbol FCX. That's right, Freeport-McMoRan, ticker symbol FCX. They are the largest copper producer in the world. They produce roughly 3.4 billion pounds of copper. Whew, that's a lot. They operate massively across North America and South America, and every time AI demand increases, copper demand tends to increase with it. But here's the interesting part. Freeport-McMoRan may not even be the most powerful copper story in the video. And that's what you need to understand. What is happening underneath this whole AI thing? Because before we break down Freeport-McMoRan, before we break down the 2 other companies that I really want you to stick around for, I need you to understand that why Wall Street is suddenly paying attention to copper in the first place. And these 3 copper companies are dominating. They've beaten the S&P by 3 times. Because it isn't really a mining story, it's more so an AI infrastructure story. So let's kind of get into that. So AI has an electricity problem. Right? Most investors think AI has a chip problem. Well, Wall Street thinks that AI has an electricity problem. So NVIDIA, Microsoft, Meta, Amazon, and xAI, they are building massive AI factories. But one AI data center can consume as much power as a small city, right? So no electricity means no AI. And so copper moves the electricity. That's why it's so important. Copper moves the electricity. Now, I remember in prison when we used to take the copper out the thing and make the heat that went through the cooler, but that's another story. Transmission lines, transformers, substations, switch gears, panels, cooling systems. Copper is everywhere, especially when it comes to AI. It's pivotal. And as I did the research, and as I went to deep dive, and I said, wait, I gotta put my people on. Because copper then becomes like the blood vessel of the AI economy. That's right. Copper becomes the blood vessel of the AI economy. And then there's the grid problem. So let's walk through that situation. So everyone is talking about chips and nobody talks about the grid. Now, utilities spend billions. That's right, they're spending billions on transmission upgrades, on transformer shortages, grid expansion, because we talked about this in other videos that the American grid is not built for the capacity in which AI is looking for. So every project requires 3 times more copper. And that's where it becomes a supply problem. So let me introduce you to why I think this is important. Now we introduce scarcity, and copper mine takes 10 years, 15 years, 20 years to bring online. So you need a copper mine to get copper. Meanwhile, demand is constantly growing. This is where the shortage comes in at. And now you need to understand that. So it takes 10, 15, 20 years for a copper mine to even get up and running, but AI is here, it is now. This is why copper matters. This is why demand is rising. This is why copper is a constraint, meaning a lock. And now I want to break these 3 stocks down to you. So the first stock I want to talk about is Freeport-McMoRan. I want to go deeper on this one. They don't just mine copper, right? They're the largest publicly traded copper producer. And so they have operations in Arizona. They have operations in New Mexico. They have operations in Peru, Chile, Indonesia. That's right. They global, right? Now, they are the copper giant, ticker symbol FCX. They are the giant producer. So if AI demand rises tomorrow, Freeport-McMoRan benefits immediately. Now, NVIDIA builds the brain, but Freeport-McMoRan, FCX, digs up the metal that powers the brain. Think about that. NVIDIA needs them. This is key. So the second company we're gonna talk about is Southern Copper, which is SCCO. Think about it like this. If Freeport-McMoRan is the producer, then Southern Copper is the landlord. They have 51 million metric tons of reserves, the largest reserve base in the game. So that means they have future supply, low cost, and a long mining life. So Freeport-McMoRan sells the copper today. SCCO, which is Southern Copper, they control the copper for tomorrow. They control it. Pivotal. And then the third company on the list is Teck, like T-E-C-K. So if Freeport-McMoRan scale and SCCO has a reserve, then Teck is the growth. Now, they have a 27-year mining life. They have a production ramp, and they are really an institutional favorite. Freeport-McMoRan is today, SCCO is ownership, and TECK is the growth. These three companies are sitting at the center of something catastrophic. And so everybody is chasing NVIDIA and SpaceX, and I understand why, I get it. But the championship investors, they ask a different question. What is the economy? What is the ecosystem that's needed? Because what does NVIDIA need? Electricity. What does electricity need? Copper. Who controls the copper? Freeport-McMoRan, Southern Company, and Teck, T-E-C-K. These are three companies that are pitiful for us to watch. All of them are up really big this year, but they have so much more room to grow. And it's under the radar. And so everybody is chasing the brains, and the smart money is studying the entire nervous system, and that may be where the next decade of opportunity lives. And so that's what I want us to think about. I want us to think about ecosystems and what does AI need to keep breathing, to keep moving, to keep having longevity. And so that's what my channel is about. That's what I want to do with you all, is help you all see the game from a different perspective. Now remember, you got to do the research, you got to do the homework to go make sure, but I promise you, you won't be disappointed when you look at the free cash flow, when you look at the opportunity, when you look at the backlog, and you look at future sales growth. These three companies are really pivotal for where you want to go. They're not going to be on screen all day. They're not going to be on the TV all day. This is going to be slowly outperforming the market and putting money in your pocket. It's your boy, the Wall Street Trapper. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video with somebody. Tell me in the chat which one of these you gonna rock with. Salute.